Hey guys, good morning. It's been a while since I've done a video with this car. Well, I have a day off work today, so let's change that. Today's video is not going to be a driving video. I'm going to diagnose one of the problems that I had mentioned with the car before, and that's the hood latch on the passenger side. It seems like it's going to be one of a few problems. I'm going to try to take a look and hopefully try to fix it. It gets really hot in this garage as the day goes on, so I'm going to try to get it done before it gets too hot. Worst case, I'll just continue on another day. So the problem here is that when I pull the hood release latch, where did it go? It's down here somewhere. This thing right here. It's supposed to release the hood on both sides and make it pop up, but it only lifts on the driver's side right now, and on the passenger side it's stuck. So something. Oh, it actually opened this time. It didn't before, but something is causing it to jam and not pop up all the way. So usually it would mean I have to hold the latch and reach over the door to lift this heavy hood at the same time. Where did it go? There we go. Yeah, that's how it works. This side's having no problem. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Don't see any issues with it. It's hard to pull the latch and see that side. This camera will probably get a better view than I can actually see, but looks like it's working. Now a lot of times on the videos I've watched, the issues that people have with opening the hood have to do with these cables, or even the latch mechanism itself, the handle right here breaking. It seems like that's not the problem here, so I'm pretty sure it has to do with the spring right up here that needs to be adjusted, but on the passenger side. Now I know with these C4s, a lot of times the hood, and especially in the front, there's a lot of fitment issues. It's not bad overall. Over here it's a little bit off. This part always seems a little bit higher up than it's supposed to be. The hood actually the position can be adjusted to fix that, but it seems like a lot of work. I don't know if it's worth the hassle for me to do and probably mess something else up in the process. So I'm gonna stick with just working with the mechanism for now. When it's closed, this part's completely closed right now. I can't move it. But on the passenger side, it's actually still has a little wiggle room, so I'm not sure if that might be part of the problem. It's actually latched though, so it can't fly open or anything. It's so strange. Now it works. Now that I'm trying to fix it, it actually works. For the past few months, I believe, that passenger side wasn't unlatching. But still, I'm going to try to adjust the spring and see if it makes it better. Now let's see. I wonder if this is something that a simple screwdriver can turn. Oh, okay. It's not too bad. I wonder if that hexagon part in the back is supposed to turn too. Let me see what it's like on the driver's side. Looks like it's pretty fixed in place. Alright, that's got to be a problem then. The passenger side one is completely loose. Maybe I just need to tighten it up a little bit. Let's see, is this all one? It looks like it's all one unit that's connected. Oh, seems pretty fixed in place now. It still moves though. Yeah, it seems like it's moving a lot more, actually. Alright, so now it seems like the problem is after I've tightened that screw, the entire thing is not catching on to that latch inside anymore. It's actually, you can just pull it open like this, so it's not hooking up at all. Now for those who don't know, this entire piece right here, with these bolts, these nuts, can actually all be slightly adjusted just to help the hood fit a little better. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I think that's probably more work than it's worth at this point. But I did loosen this screw a little bit more. I wonder if it was loose originally for this very reason. Yeah, I loosened it a little bit, not as much as it was before, but just slightly. Gonna see if that helps. I think it just has to be at the exact right position where it would be able to catch onto this latch and stay closed, but also have enough strength in the spring to pop open when I pull the latch. Okay, so with that little bit of adjustment, seems like it's fitting fine and it's not moving at all right now. All right. It worked. can't stop looking at it when it's open. There's just so much going on here. I love it. If I'm not mistaken, the C4 is the only Corvette generation to have a full clamshell hood like this. So yeah, I think the issue really just came down to be adjusting that little spring and getting it to exactly the right height. Yeah, all good. Alright, I know I said I wasn't going to do a driving video today, but it's like not even 9:30 in the morning yet. What am I going to do with the rest of my day off? So, the heck with it. Somebody got rear-ended. Good reminder for everybody, just always be safe. Doesn't matter what car you drive, just be careful. There's so many crazy people out there. Got some cold brew coffee here, because I have a cup holder now. I gotta say, there's something just so nice about just going on a drive and not really having a destination. Yeah, it's great to just slow down a little bit and not always rush to get from place to place and get things done. Oh, that's nice. Wasn't even going all that fast. Oh, what a great way to enjoy a day off work. We're pulling over right now to commemorate a special occasion. 29,000. Got this car, I think, the day I got it out of the shop, I think it was at, what, 28.4? Haven't driven it all that much, to be honest, but here we go. Hit the first 1,000. Well, I guess I can't brag about this being a 28,000 mile car anymore. Why have a car if you don't use it, right? Alright, back at home now. It's already insanely hot in the garage, so I'm not going to be doing any more work with the car today. But yeah, thinking back now, I have a feeling the correct way to properly address that hood release issue on the passenger side would be to fully tighten that big hex nut the way I originally did, but loosen just the screw and the spring portion to adjust the tension and the height accordingly. I'm pretty sure there's got to be a way to do that. I have to do a little more research, but it doesn't really make sense for the whole mechanism to just be left loose enough that I can just turn it by hand. Otherwise the same problem is just going to keep happening again. If you've dealt with this issue with the C4 before, feel free to chime in and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if I'm on the right track or maybe I'm completely mistaken and have no clue what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm getting out of this garage before it gets any hotter, so see you guys next time.